Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add new item to a dropdown combo box using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. And this is my dropdown combo box, and I'll add another item to this box. Now select form option, and here you will find a select field option, and drag your mouse cursor, select your box and press right button for your mouse cursor and open properties dialog box. And properties dialog box, go option menu, and this is our current item list, and I'll add a new item as Japan. As this new item now added, and also let India, and see this, and also you can delete any item. I'll add this Switzerland and delete. Now set it close and end option, and see this, Japan and India new item added, and Switzerland option also removed. In this way, you can add, modify, or delete item from a dropdown combo box. Yeah, and finally, say this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.